Dry feet and cracked heels is both annoying and uncomfortable and can become quite unsightly. These little problems can become very painful and begin to bleed if not properly treated. A fantastic way to fix cracked heels and get beautiful feet is to apply a foot mask, and your kitchen is just full of amazing products with medicinal value that can treat cracked heels quickly. Today, we bring you a simple mask made with ingredients from the kitchen to help you heal dry feet and cracked heels quickly. You will have soft heels you have always dreamed. Before starting the recipe, please tell us your age and your heels condition in the comment section of this video. We will give you some tips to heal cracked heels and have soft foot skin in the next videos. Then click the subscribe button and turn on the beside little notification bell to won't miss our next videos. The first ingredient of this recipe is honey. Honey is a humectant, which means it traps and seals moisture, making it ideal to apply to dry and cracked heels. Apply it on your heels and it sucks moisture into your skin, helping to relieve the dryness and heal the cracks. Cracked heels, besides can be painful, there's a risk of bacteria entering the body through the cracks. Honey helps water bacteria, which is an added benefit if you have open cracks that run deeper. But it's more important to choose raw honey because it has excellent antimicrobial and antioxidant properties. Add 1 teaspoon of raw honey into a bowl. Next, you need to prepare rice flour. Rice flour is a bit coarse in its texture, which makes it an excellent material to be used as a scrub. The fine particles help the flaky dead skin cells leave your skin in an easier way. Not exfoliating your feet is also a reason for dry and cracked heels. Rice flour helps a great deal to help rid of dry and dead skin cells, thereby preventing your heels from drying and cracking. Besides, rice flour contains allantoin. Allantoin helps to skin and promotes regeneration and repair of skin cells. This helps you get silky and smooth skin. Add 3 teaspoons of rice flour into the bowl of honey. Finally, you need to prepare apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a mild acid that softens dry and dead skin, making it easy to exfoliate, reveal fresh and healthy skin. In addition, apple cider vinegar is a natural and effective odor neutralizer. When applied on smelly feet, it balances the skin pH levels and kills off the bacteria that cause the unpleasant odors, leaving your feet feeling and smelling fresh. The apple cider vinegar is best if you choose an unpasteurized brand with the mother in it. This is the most effective at preventing infection, helping the skin to heal and encouraging the hardened dead skin to shed easily. Just add 2 to 3 drops of apple cider vinegar into the bowl. Mix all ingredients together to form a thick mixture. If the obtained mixture is too dry, add honey and continue mixing. If your heels are extremely dry and cracked, you can add a teaspoon of olive oil or sweet almond oil. Before applying this mixture, soak your feet in warm water for 10 minutes, then gently scrub your heels and feet with this mixture to remove dead skin from your feet. For the better result, put some socks over the paste and let it do its magic overnight. Rinse it off in the shower when you wake up the next day. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times a week to heal cracked heels and make the food soft, healthy, and beautiful.